Previously on Cult of Rust. It's been left in a bush for years. Oh, we've got, that's it, I've got a spark. Right, I've knocked the big bolt that went through here. I've knocked that out. I've disconnected this decompression cable here. I think if I disconnect the throttle linkage, I should be able to get the carb out. That's the hope. Anyway, let's try it. Over there. So, taking these bolts out, they're in there. I don't think they've ever been undone, but it's lifting away quite easy now. So, can you hear the neighbours shout? Can you see there? I don't know. We're going to try and get it out anyway. Definitely need two hands. Oh, there we go. We've got our reeds there. And the filth. No, it was an airbox, but there's no way it was going to go through there. That's the breather. Okay, we'll have to give all that a clean down. But we have our carburetor. Let's have a look at that then. Right, well, as you see, it's filthy from the outside. I'm not going to do a full strip down video part because, you know, I'm just going to do the money shot. Everyone likes to see the bowl come off. See how fucked that is. And then what I'm going to do is, it's getting quite late, so I think I'll throw the carb in the ultrasonic cleaner to soak and come back to it maybe tomorrow. Depends. Ho ho ho, yeah! That's everything in the ultrasonic cleaner. If anyone wants to know what I use, it's that. I'm not saying it's the best, I'm just saying that's what I use. See you in 24 hours. Don't that look better? Nice clean bowl. Carbs rebuilt, all installed back in there. You can see it's all cleaned up, the manifold there. Whoop, carb was looking good. I've attached a piece of fuel line and I've got a squeezy bottle with some two-stroke in. We're going to kind of wedge that up there, prime the carb and see if it will start. Okay, because we're up on the bench, I'm going to use the drill to start it. Squeezy bottle, fuel, two-stroke. There's some in there. Choke. Ooh. That was good. That was good. choke. Let's move that. Okay, choke is on. Oh, that's there. Okay, we're getting there. I wonder if I need to give it some throttle. Let's try some throttle. Can't do it off the lever because the cables are all weird, so wants to go. Come on. Right, engine's running. Why ain't the wheel turning? That's kind of slipping there. That's kind of slipping. Let's try again, see what happens. Oh, connect the wires back together. Idiot. Okay, did we run out of fuel there? Maybe I kept the choke on for too long. Maybe that's what it was. Right, try again. Try again. Oh, there we go. Just can't get enough. I haven't got enough hands to do everything. Let's try again. Right, start it. bit of choke. So it runs. We haven't got a steady fuel supply to it, so hence it's cutting out. I think we can call that a win. That's as well, it's beyond what we were asked to do with it, but hey, it's a runner. Let's try again. We're out of fuel. And it's a runner. It's a runner. suppose we bolt it up and send it back now.